Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants with a focus on health. Did you know that having certain plants indoors doesn't just make your space look beautiful, but it can also improve your health? In today's video, we'll go over the top 7 healthiest plants to keep in your home. These plants purify the air, reduce stress, and even help with allergies. So let's jump right in.
Aloe Vera. First up is the aloe vera plant. Known for its medicinal properties, aloe vera is great to have on hand for minor burns, skin irritations, and even as a moisturizer. This succulent is also an air purifier, absorbing carbon dioxide at night and releasing oxygen, plus it's low maintenance, needing water only once every 2 to 3 weeks.
So whether you keep it in your bathroom or your living room, aloe vera is a super healthy addition to any home.
Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is another incredible plant that's often called a bedroom plant because it releases oxygen at night, unlike most plants. It's known for its air-purifying abilities, absorbing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. This plant is tough, requires little light, and is almost impossible to kill, making it ideal for beginners.
With its vertical sword-like leaves, the snake plant adds a modern touch while boosting air quality.
Next, we have the peace lily. This stunning plant is not only easy to care for, but is also a champion in removing toxins from the air. Peace lilies absorb mold spores, making them great for anyone with allergies or respiratory issues. Just remember to keep it out of reach of pets, as it's toxic to cats and dogs.
Peace lilies love low light and will even reward you with gorgeous white flowers when they're happy. A perfect plant to bring peace into your home.
Spider plants are fantastic for improving indoor air quality. They absorb carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and other pollutants. What's unique about spider plants is that they're non-toxic to pets, so they're a great choice for homes with cats or dogs. They're also super easy to propagate, so one plant can turn into many.
Not only does the spider plant purify the air, but it's also fun to watch its baby spiders grow. Hang it in a basket or place it on a shelf for a beautiful cascading effect.
English ivy is known for its ability to filter airborne mold and other allergens, making it ideal for people with allergies or asthma. It also absorbs formaldehyde, commonly found in cleaning products. Ivy does best in a bright, humid environment, so it's perfect for bathrooms or near a kitchen window.
English ivy can be a beautiful, low-maintenance way to bring greenery into your space while improving the air you breathe.
Lavender is popular for its calming scent, and it can actually help reduce stress, improve sleep, and lift your mood. This plant can thrive indoors if placed in a sunny spot. Simply rub the leaves or flowers to release its soothing aroma, making it a perfect addition to bedrooms or living rooms.
If you're looking for a plant that not only looks beautiful but also promotes relaxation, lavender is the one for you.
Last on our list is the Boston fern, a humidity-loving plant that's great for improving indoor air quality. Boston ferns remove toxins like formaldehyde and xylene and add moisture to dry air, making them perfect for colder months when heating systems dry out the air. They prefer indirect sunlight and high humidity, so keep them in bathrooms or mist them regularly.
The Boston fern's soft, feathery fronds bring an elegant, classic look to any room while helping you breathe easier. So there you have it, the top 7 healthiest plants to have in your home. From air purification to stress reduction, these plants are as beneficial as they are beautiful. Let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your space, or if you already have any of these. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on making your home a healthy green oasis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.